Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei Matepad Paper, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, which are in the left lower corner, and then let's scroll down in this left section to find system and updates. Now we have to enter a reset option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, on the second position, we've got reset network settings. So basically the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it. And here we've got also the information that your device will reset the network settings, including the Wi-Fi, but also the Bluetooth. So be aware about that. And if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. And here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So it's of course up to you. Just tap on reset network settings if you're ready. And basically, here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically, that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.